I'll give you 10 reasons why you shouldn't install at your Apple HomeKit a HomeBridge. If you want to know what is a HomeBridge and why you shouldn't buy one to your home, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. And today we'll be talking about a HomeBridge, what is a HomeBridge, and why you shouldn't invest your money in one, because in the long run I think is a big mistake. I have organized here things on the table to have to explain you what is a HomeBridge and how it works, so you understand why you shouldn't purchase one. So first of all, it's important that you understand what is a HomeBridge, and if you already know, why people normally buy these things. So a HomeBridge is nothing more than, let's say that this was the HomeBridge, this black box. Let's say that this device will allow you to connect different products that normally they can't communicate with the hub of Apple, so in this case a HomePod mini, and this box appears in the middle to do that bridge to create this connection. And this happens through plugins that you'll install on your HomeBridge. Those plugins are not certified by Apple, so some of them they have verifications, but they are made by the community. So in other words, you are creating here security and privacy issues inside your Apple HomeKit. Another reason why I don't like so much to have a HomeBridge in my house is because it's going to be like a hub. It needs to be connected all the time to the electricity. And now you ask to yourself, what is a hub? First of all, when you are going to buy a hub, you need to see if they have this logo here saying works with Apple HomeKit, or you need to have this logo saying Matter compatible. This is not a hub, but it's just to give you an idea. So in other words, a hub is very similar to a HomeBridge, but this one is certified by Apple. So the big difference is the hub itself is going to create the bridge to allow this product to communicate directly to the hub of my Apple HomeKit, my HomePod mini. So why have you said that you don't recommend a bridge? So first of all, you need to understand that if you have a HomeBridge in your house, you are trying to connect a product that natively was not made to work with Apple HomeKit. So at any time, Apple can decide to remove this completely and not allowing you to connect those devices anymore to your Apple HomeKit. I understand why you purchase one. Maybe you have products that they were working with Google Assistant and now you have moved to Apple HomeKit and you want it to connect there, but you are purchasing a device that natively was not made to connect directly to Apple. So you are installing plugins that they are not certified, you have more risks of security and privacy, and besides that, many times you still have to program those plugins because they are not completely finished, if it makes sense. So in other words, when someone purchases a product from Apple, they normally buy it because it's quite simple to use. If you decided to purchase a bridge that you have to program, and if you don't know how to program, maybe that is going to be a problem because you are going just to create a system that is not going to work really, really well. One of the biggest reasons why people buy a bridge, and let's say that this box is a bridge, obviously I'm aware it's not, it's just the cover of my lenses, but if you think about it, people buy this product because when they were creating their Apple HomeKit, they didn't thought previously which products they want to purchase. And one of the first things that I always recommend everyone is when they are purchasing a product, they need to be sure that they want to connect that product to their Apple HomeKit, and in this case to their hub. And when you are doing that, you also should think how many different brands you have installed in that specific room, because when more brands, when more products they have to communicate with each other, more chances you have that is not going to work properly. Purchase a product that was developed like this sensor and this hub from Meros that was developed from day one to work directly with Apple HomeKit, and in this case to connect directly to a HomePod mini or any other hubs that you have at your home. My name is Marco, this is madpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash a thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you in the next one.